we're going to learn the sound k, k, k. Let's see what's inside. K, k, k. Kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. K, k, k. Kiwi, kiwi. K, k, k. Key, key, key. K, k, k. Kitten, kitten, kitten. And k, k, k. Cattle, kettle, kettle, kettle. K. Let's play. Please show me key, 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 key. Please show me kitten, kitten, kitten. That's right, this is a kitten. Please show me kangaroo, 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 kangaroo. Correct. Please show me kiwi, 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 kiwi. And please show me cattle, cattle. That's right, this is a cattle. And now let's name these things. Please tell me, what is this? Key. This is a key, correct? Key. Please tell me, what is this? Cattle. This is a cattle. That's right. And what is this? Kitten. This is a kitten. That's right. Kitten. And what is this? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. That's right. And what is this? Kiwi. This is kiwi. So you learned the sound k